Let's move on to the next page, 12.
Okay.
We have a circuit, and there are two switches. We are asked to calculate the resistance of one of the device. Because it is given here, the power 1500 watts, and the voltage. Question A is calculate resistance. So how does resistance relate to these two things?
Power equal I squared, or
Given
I
the
think
voltage, and we are asked to find the resistance V square over R. P is V square over R.
okay, yeah.
Yeah. So please write in it, and then solve for the resistance R. Yeah. And the power is given here, 1500 watts.
Yeah.
230 square divided by 105,000. Yeah, 35.3, or we can take two significant figures, which is 35.
Okay.
Question B. Calculate the total power dissipated in the circuit when S1 is closed and S2 is open. I will do a demonstration how to find the total power in the first case, then you do it similarly for the other cases. Okay, the first case, S1 is closed. When S1 is closed, the circuit is the current runs from the battery like this through this resistor and then down to this part without moving through this resistor. So this resistor like doesn't exist. Okay.
Yep.
And S2 open, so there's no current here. So that basically the first case, the circuit involves only one resistor, like this, which is the first resistor here. First, second, third. Okay, so just like this. Each device has the power 1500 watts and the working voltage 230 volts. The source is 230 volt also, so that it will provide exactly enough for this resistor. So the power of, in this case, is 1500 watts. Okay.
Yep.
For this question, because it is only 1 mark and yeah, 1 mark, so you don't need to write so many things. You can summarize like the circuit involves only one resistor. Okay, and voltage applied to that resistor exactly equal to the EMF of the battery, which is exactly the same with the working voltage, and therefore it results in this power. The second case, S1 is closed and S2 is also closed. So now the circuit has two resistors connected in parallel. Okay. This is the resistor 1, this is resistor 3, and the current does not go through the resistor 2. So they are connected like this. Okay. 230 volts. So each resistor is provided by this voltage 230 volt, and therefore the power is 1500 for the first resistor and added with 1500, so the sum is 3000 watt. Okay.
Yeah.
So in this case, It is like you turn on the light bulbs in your house at the same time, or turning the air conditioning in the 2 rooms at the same time. So it will draw more power, it will consume more energy, and you need to pay more money. Okay.
Yeah.
At the same time, yeah, like opening the many devices at the same time, and those devices are connected in parallel, like the air conditioning in different rooms in your house, or the light bulbs, or everything in your house. They are all connected in parallel with the power source. Okay, therefore turning on more devices, you consume more power and pay more money. Okay.
Yep.
So that's the meaning of the parallel diagram circuit. The third case, S1 is open and S2 open. So please now do it yourself. For the third case, S1 open and S2 open. So what happens? What is the structure of the circuit in this case?
So, oh, it will be a series with 2 resistor, 1 and 2.
Yeah, exactly. So please draw the circuit, the diagram as a small diagram below. The third case here, and use like a different color. It doesn't matter because I can recognize your writing style. Third case here. Draw the diagram indicating the structure of the 2 circuits. Yeah, and then
Wait, what?
yeah, calculate the voltage and the potential. Yeah, exactly. The 2 resistor in series.
I think it will be also be 3000 watt.
No, because the voltage applied to each resistor is now not 230, but half of that for each resistor. And you need to calculate the new power for each resistor. Each resistor will receive half of 230 volts.
So 750 watts.
Yeah, meaning 115 volt for each resistor, and therefore the power will be 4 times less, because the power is proportional to the square of the voltage. Okay.
Yeah.
Each resistor here will receive only 115 volt, and this is 115 volt, and the power is proportional to the square of the voltage according to this equation. Therefore, the power of each resistor will be one fourth of 1,500 watts. Okay, and then you add the 2 power of the 2 resistor together.
750.
Okay, 1/4 of 1,500, and then add them, meaning 1/2 of 1,500. That is 750. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, 750. So please write in it. Right, not just the number. The point is that you really understand. Okay, so you can write like the power of each light bulb is 1/4, because the voltage applied to each resistor is half of the working voltage.
Can you check if the fourth one is right?
Okay, the fourth case, S1 is open and S2 is closed. When S1 is open, yeah, there are 2 resistors. S2 closed, yeah, exactly. And 1/4, and then plus, correct? Yeah, you understood it. Very good.